Swirl, smell, taste, repeat. All this and more makes for a perfect day trip out of Washington, D.C. at Linganore Wine Cellars in Mount Airy, Maryland. Maryland's largest and oldest vineyard, Linganore Wine Cellars is the perfect way to step out of the city and into the country.
Welcome everyone to Linganore Wine Cellars.
Take a tour to see how a family hobby turned into Maryland's largest and oldest vineyard. Or try their wine tasting, where for free you can sample over 20 wines ranging from traditional grape-based red and whites to summery fruit wines such as peach or blackberry.
We have some really unique wines that usually when someone will come out to do a tasting, I tell them that I am pretty confident that we should be able to find at least one wine that they will like because we offer so many different varieties.
Bring a picnic and enjoy grazing the picturesque grounds, or buy their ready-to-go cheeses and other snacks to enjoy in their patio. What do you enjoy most about coming here?
Actually, just the peacefulness. The
Nice.
wine.
The 20-some wines that we tested all of.
Sounds like fun.
It was.
And don't forget to take some wine home to enjoy later. You'll feel like you've stepped into another world just 45 minutes outside of Washington, D.C.